y'all, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, this is Vlogmas Day 3. I know it's Sunday, y'all. Say, who eats spaghetti on a Sunday? I do. Especially right after Thanksgiving. You want to do something quick and easy. You've been cooking all Thanksgiving, all the last couple of weekends. And you want to do something quick and easy. I'm going to do some spaghetti, y'all, old school style. Just like my mama used to make. We're going to make a sauce. We're going to dump it, after we cook the spaghetti, we're going to dump it right into the sauce. Eat it just like that. Nothing fancy, nothing elegant about it. Just good old-fashioned spaghetti meat sauce. So anyway, what I got here, y'all, simple. I got some onions and garlic, ground meat. This is like a 90-10. Spaghetti, of course. I got some crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and tomato paste to give it some body and color. Very simple, very easy spaghetti, y'all. You don't get no easier than that. All right, what I want to do first, y'all, I want to get these onions cooked down because I don't like crunchy onions in my spaghetti. And this sauce, it's not no like a authentic Italian sauce that takes 2 or 3 hours to cook now. This whole dish gonna come together in less than 30 minutes, y'all. Less than 30 minutes. But what I want to do, I want to kind of get a good caramelization on my onions. Then I'll throw my garlic in there. Then I'll do my ground meat in there. But first, I want to get these onions sweated down a lot because I don't want no crunchy onions in my spaghetti. And we'll go from there. So anyway, we'll be right back once my onions get soft. And we'll add the rest of the stuff. Old school spaghetti and meat sauce. Vlogmas Day 3, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back. All right, y'all. We got our onions sweated down. Now we're going to add our garlic to this. Put a little garlic in there, as much as little as you like. Get that sweated down. There we go. Oh, y'all, this smells amazing. You see how I caramelized them onions? That's the key, y'all. I don't want that onion. I don't like no crunchy onions in my spaghetti at all. So we got that sweated down. Now we're going to add our ground meat to this. What's good about having my own meat process, y'all? This meat has very little fat in it. It has fat, but just enough fat to make it flavorful. But I don't have to drain it. Like a lot of ground meat you get in the store that say it's 80-20, 70-30, usually it's 50-50. A lot of that stuff in the supermarket. That's why it has so much grease on it. But I have mine personally processed. I have my own beef killed, slaughtered, and processed where I can tell them exactly how I want my ground meat. So we're going to get this browned up. Once we get this browned up, y'all, I'm going to get my pot back here heating up for my spaghetti because I like to have my sauce already ready. So when my spaghetti is ready, all I got to do is pour it right into the sauce. That's what I like to do. I don't like the sauce waiting on the spaghetti to cook. I mean, the spaghetti waiting on the sauce to cook, and then the spaghetti gets overcooked or dry or whatever. I want the sauce already ready, then I can dump it right into my spaghetti sauce. So anyway, we'll step back off. Once this gets nice and brown, we'll add our tomato products. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, I got my meat, ground meat, ground. I got my ground meat browned off here as much as possible. Now we're gonna add our tomato product here. Got some crushed tomatoes here. Diced tomatoes in there. Mix that up in there a little. Get that all mixed up. Oh yeah. Now we're going to add our tomato paste, which is going to give it some body and some more good color. Deep color here, y'all. All right, add my tomato paste in here. Gotta have that, y'all. That's the secret. That's the secret for good, rich tomato sauce, tomato paste, y'all. Gotta have that in there. Gotta have that. Then we're gonna stir that in there, turn it down a little. Slowly get the tomato paste in there, and then we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. and let it simmer about 15-20 minutes. While it's simmering, we're gonna go on and get our spaghetti put in the pot, in the water back there. Can't go wrong with this, right? Look at that, y'all. Look at this here, spaghetti sauce, meat sauce come together. See how rich that is and thick? Will it cling to the tomato? I know y'all had tomato sauce be so watery, it doesn't cling to the tomatoes, to the pasta. No, you want your tomato sauce to cling to your pasta, y'all. You don't want it watery. Look at that. See how thick that is? Now I'm gonna add a little sugar to this. I know it's gonna be a little bitter taste to it. I already know that by just cooking this so many times. Then I'm gonna add my salt and pepper to this. Turn my water down back there. The water's calling the pasta's name. What a pasta? Where you at? Okay, we're gonna add a little salt and pepper to this. We're gonna let this simmer, like I say, about 15-20 minutes. Then we're gonna throw our spaghetti in there. We're gonna have a big old pot of goodness here, y'all. Let me taste this right quick. Taste this right quick. Make sure the flavors are balanced. A little bit more salt. Voila. There we go. Now we're just gonna let this simmer. I'm gonna put my pasta in the water back there. And I'll be back once the pasta's ready. And I'll dump it in here. Mix it together. We're gonna have some good old spaghetti for Sunday dinner, y'all. Hey, that's easy. You can make this after church. You ain't gotta make it before church. See how easy I put it together. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all. Spaghetti here, pretty much ready here. That's what you want right there. Now, all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna take that and pour that right into my pot here. Let me turn it off. I'm gonna take this, drain it here. So don't waste all of it on my stove. I'm gonna shake all that excess water off of it. And just pour it right into my pot here. Make sure I get it all out of there. Get every pasta out of there, y'all. There we go. And all we're gonna do, y'all, we're just gonna mix it up. Like I say, we ain't gonna be fancy with this. I'm just gonna mix it up right there. Just like that. Like a big old pot of goodness here, y'all. Look at that there. That's how you eat spaghetti, y'all. It's the old school way eating spaghetti. Just mix that sauce in just like that. That's the old school way of doing it, just like that, y'all. Tell me it ain't. Oh man, this is goodness here, y'all. Like I say, get you some garlic bread, get you a salad, and that's all she wrote. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step off here, get me a plate here, and we're gonna come back, and I gotta prove to y'all how good this spaghetti is, y'all. I gotta prove it to y'all. So, old school spaghetti meat sauce. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Like I told y'all, simple and easy. Look at that. Get you a salad with that, y'all. Some garlic bread. Hey, make it simple and easy on you after Thanksgiving. You don't want to be doing too much more cooking. Hey, this is the recipe for y'all. You see how hot and steamy this is. And that's where my mom used to make it, y'all. Make the sauce, pour the spaghetti in there, mix it all up. Hey, nothing fancy about it. Let's get good here. This thing is hot, y'all. Y'all can see it's always hot. Always hot, y'all. I'm trying to make it, put a little extra meat sauce. Make it where it don't burn my mouth too much, y'all. And I got enough meat sauce on here as well, too. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that bite there. Going in. Wow. Oh. And if it's rainy and cold where y'all are, It's the meal for you right here. That's your big bowl of spaghetti meat sauce, garlic bread, nice garden salad, ranch dressing on there. Wow. Don't get no better than that, right? We starting VLOGMAS off really slow, ain't we? I'm hitting you high and low, high and low. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness to Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. VLOGMAS Day 3 done.